My name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make sumac tea. Now, sumac tea is a very fruity yet tart tea, so it actually makes for an excellent iced tea, which a lot of the times people may get confused with a lemonade because of its tartness. Today we're going to show you how to make it hot, and then at the end, if you want to pour it over ice, we'll give you the tip on how to do that as well. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to take your tea kettle. Place your tea kettle underneath your faucet and fill it with some cold water. Once you have it filled with cold water, you're then going to place it on your stove. Once it's on your stove, you're going to turn your stove on high, allowing the water time to heat up. Once it comes to a complete boil, you're then going to turn off the heat and remove it from the stove. After that, we're going to take our tea bag out of the box and we're going to open it up, removing the tea bag and placing it in our cup. Once we have that in our cup, we're then going to take our boiling water and pour it over top the tea bag. We want to make sure that the tea bag gets fully submersed into the boiling water, giving it an opportunity to diffuse into the water. Now remember, this is an herbal tea, so it's going to need to stay in the water for about a few minutes of time there. You're just going to bob that up and down, allowing the water to go in and out of the tea bag. And then once you've done that a few times, you can let that tea bag sit in the hot water, which is also called steeping. Once you've allowed this sumac tea to steep for about 2 to 4 minutes, you can then remove the tea bag from the water and you can sweeten it to your taste. Because it is a tart beverage, you are going to probably want to add some sugar, some honey, or some natural sweetener to it. Now, if you want to make this beverage iced, which I highly recommend, especially on a hot day, you're going to double your recipe. So you're going to take 2 tea bags and steep it in the same amount of water. Now, when making the iced tea, if you want to sweeten it, just be sure to add the sugar or honey to the hot tea beverage before you pour it over a cup of ice. This will make double the amount, obviously, because it's a concentrated form using the 2 tea bags. So you can enjoy 2 cups of iced tea by brewing the double tea bag in your hot water. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we talked about how to make sumac tea. Enjoy!